Hi, I'm Pedro Placencia with Country Real Estate in California's beautiful Central Coast. Today we're in the city of Paso Robles for a tour of this cute and affordable home in the Oak Meadows neighborhood. Let's go take a look. Being a corner lot, you get one of the larger yards in the neighborhood. Let's go inside. The home has a really good layout for the square footage. Built in 1986. The kitchen has nice cabinets with designer handles and knobs, quartz countertops, and opens up to this back patio area. This is a really nice space to grill right next to the kitchen, and it extends your dining area to this patio with a covered pergola. The yard is shaded nicely by this tree, so you get good sun, but relief from the heat too in those summer months. And the efficiency of the floor plan for smaller homes like this is great to have a corner dining nook. Really good setup for this home. Let's head over to the bedrooms. The home has a modern feel, which is nice. Good colors and good flooring throughout for fairly easy maintenance. Here's the master bedroom. So it's the larger of the two bedrooms. There's a good sized closet here and a patio door to the back. Here we have patio access from the primary bedroom. The side yard here is great for gardening. I already have a couple of raised beds and a mature plum tree. Cool feature here, you have a door right to the bathroom. And it is a 2 bedroom, 1 bath home. So they share a bath. Here's a door from the hallway into the full bath. The second bedroom's just down the hall. A little bit smaller, but still decent size. This bedroom features 2 closets, one there, and it also includes this walk-in closet. Just a short walk from the home, you'll find the amenities here at Oak Meadows community include a pool, covered spa, and private bathrooms and showers. You can even enjoy walks in this open space within the neighborhood. This is a fantastic opportunity. If you're looking to purchase a home in a great location and a very affordable price, you can't beat this. If you'd like to learn more about this home and others like it on the Central Coast, be sure to reach out to me. I'd love to help.